Welcome our YouTube channel, me Madan. Today I'm going to tell you about page break and section break. What is the difference between page break and section break? Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and watch my video till to the end. Let's start now. Okay, this is the Microsoft Word background. In Microsoft Word, the file menu or menu bar, there is a layout. You can see here, and there is a break. One page break and then section break. In page break, the contain page, column and text. In section break, the contain next page, continuous, even and odd. I will explain today the page break of page and section break next page. And I will show the difference between the page break and section break. First of all, I have only one page on this Microsoft Word. You can see here page 1 of 1. It means only one page. Now I will type something here. Equals to and 3 is to 10 and bracket close. The text will be appear here. I think you know this idea. There is only one page now, and then I will make it Ctrl+A, Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V. Now there is two pages. Okay, now I'm going on layout section and then page break section. You have to understand that where is your mouse cursor is appear. Suppose if your mouse cursor is in here, or you want to move down the text from this one to the another page. Okay, suppose I will make something here to change likely. I will type here likely. If you want to move down this text or move down this paragraph to the next page, then you have to do just click it here, go to the break and then page break. Now 2 of 3 page. You can see here the page move to the another page from first page to second page, or it's depend upon where is your cursor did you put. Page break means completely the content will move to the another page. That is called page break. Now section break. You can see here the page number. The page number are just shown here. This one is a page number II in Roman, and this one is page number in number. Okay, and you can see here there is a section break. You can see here this one is a section break, and after section break you can see here the page is also different. Top one, the page is protect, and second one, the page is landscape. In section break you can change all the document into different sizes. Like if you have this page, this margin, suppose I will show the margin. First I will show you how to put margin. And what is the margin? Margin means the gapping between this top side, right side and left side. How to make a margin? This one, go to the layout and then click on margin. After that, custom margin. If you want to put your margin, then you have to put here, click here, custom margin. In top side it should be 1, and bottom it should be 1, and left side 1.5, and then right margin 1. If your page is protect, then click on protect, and if your page is landscape, then click on landscape. Just I put it protect here. If you want to put the same margin on all document, then you have to select here whole document. The other paper is here, the paper size of the page document, paper size of document. Like here there are too many paper size. Just I select this one A4, and then here whole document. In layout section, new pages, then header 0.5, footer 0.5. Now you can click on OK. It means your margin is came exactly. Protect page margin, layout margin, and then custom margin. I will put here 0.5 and then 0.5 and then 0.5 and then 0.5. This is the page margin of rotate pages, and you can go down here. After the section break, here is a section. After the section break, the landscape pages, you can see here margin. I just changed the margin, but the margin also will be different. Now you can see here is 1 1 1. It means the totally different whatever you done on same file but different pages. How we can do it? How we can do section break? Now I'll move section break here. First of all, I'll move this one and I'll show you again. I remove the section break. Just delete it. It will be finished. I will go here and change it into rotate size. All the documents show on rotate home and justify. Now you can see properly. First, I'll go to layout and then go to the margin and custom margin. Now top there is 1, bottom there is 1, and left 1.5. Click on OK. Now you can see the margin of page, and then I want to make section break from this red line text. What shall I do? Just click on it here. Click the mouse cursor icon. Mouse cursor here. Go to the break and then section break. Now there is section break. The section break will appear from page number 3. Now just you can see the section break here by clicking this one, and it will show here section break. You can see here, yes, section break. Now I want to change the page number. It means this page number is in number, but I want to put this one in Roman. How can I do it? After section break, the page number will come from 1 like this Roman, and before section break it should come in Roman number. Double click on it here, just select it, go to the page number and format page number. Just choose here Roman number and then OK. Finished. This one is 1, and then another one 2 here, Roman 2, and then Roman 3 here. After this page it should come number 1. Now it's a number 1. Another thing, if you want to change the page layout also, just click this one here and go to the layout and then orientation and then click on landscape. Now you can see here the pages from where we define the section, then that page comes in rotate size, and then another page came in landscape size. This is the difference between page break and section break. I think you can understand the page break and section break. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any questions, comment me on my video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and be with us for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.